Welcome back. Now what we need to do is that we need to let the user check out. So after the user adds a few products into the cart, and if they want to check out, we want to allow them to check out. So let's work on this checkout. So in order to do this, I'm going to head on over to the cart.php, and you'll find that we have a button. And we don't need a button. Instead, we need an input. And we need a form. So I'm going to create here a form. I'm going to say form. And then I'm going to say action and value, action and method. So the method is post, and the action is checkout checkout.php, and I'm gonna move this button over to the checkout form. However, I'm gonna convert this button into input. So I'm gonna say here input, and then I'm gonna remove this completely, and I'm gonna say here value. So the value is gonna be checkout, or let's say proceed. Let's say checkout. And what else do we want? We want a name. I'm gonna say name checkout. We need the name and we need a value. Let me check this in the browser now. So we should have here a button. Let me go to the checkout. Let me go to the cart. So in the cart, we have here checkout button. So now what we want to do is that we need to work on the checkout page. Remember, we have here the checkout page, and the checkout page is HTML, and we need to convert this checkout. I'm going to rename this page. We need to convert it into PHP. So I'm going to say checkout.php. Now this is the checkout page. If I click on it, it's not going to take me to the checkout. Why? Because we need to say here in this input, we need to say type submit. The type must be submit because this is a button. Let me refresh and try one more time. So let me here click on checkout. If I click on checkout, now it's going to take me to the checkout page. Now in the checkout page, what we want to do is that we need to work on this form and submit this form and allow the user to fill the information and then proceed to payment. So let me head on over to the checkout page. Now in the checkout page, what we want to do is that we want here to add a form. We already have a form, which is great. We don't have to do anything special. We just need to we just want to make this form active. We want to activate this form, and to do this, we can just add here action and method. So I'm going to say here action and method. So the action is going to be a, let me create a file for this. I'm going to here create a new file in the server called place order. I'm going to say place underscore order .php. And in the checkout here, we need to say place underscore order .php. And we need to set a method. I'm going to say method. The method is post. So here what we have is that we have the name, and the name has a name. The email has a name. The phone number has a name. The city has a name. You need to make sure that all of them have names. And the address has a name. The submit also it doesn't have a name. So we need to give this submit button a name. We need to say here name. And the name is going to be, let's say something else other than checkout. I'm going to say place order. Place order. Place underscore order. And here I'm going to say the value is going to say place order. Now in the place order.php, we need to work on the code here. So the code here is going to first check whether user clicked on this button or not. And that can be done by using the if statement. Is set if is set post, and then we want to say place order. So if the place order is set, we need to do something else. We need to take the user to the home page or do nothing, basically do nothing, because the user will not be able to come to this page unless they have something in the cart and unless something is in the cart. So we need you to say place order.